Hey guys! That's how it's done. That was my daughter, guys. Trying to find a different way of introducing these videos instead of just saying hey guys. Let me know. Maybe you got a better suggestion how to introduce the videos. Let me know. Let me know. Um, Today, again, we have a 2010 Honda Jazz. I had this car for a bit and just had to replace a few things on it, so I'll show you guys how to do that. Again, guys, I'm only just starting. I'm not a professional. I'm just at home. Love working on cars and replacing things, so hope you enjoy. Hope it's helpful. This one is the driver's side sun visor. So let's do it. Please, 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 guys, remember to subscribe, like, or comment. Appreciate it. Okay, so here is the Jazz. Here is the sun visor. As you can see, this one, the mirror fell off when I bought it. The girl said it just fell off. They tried to glue it on and fell off again. So I'm not going to bother gluing it on. I've got a replacement one. Here it is. It's intact. Getting it off, I was at the wreckers getting this off, and it was pretty tricky. It looks simple, but it took about, I don't know, longer than it should. It took about 10-20 minutes to get it off. You have to have your tongue the right way, if you know what I'm saying. So basically there's a little groove there that you've got to get in on an angle with a screwdriver, something like this. I use this, and you've got to push that in and then twist the sun visor to get it dislodged, basically. So sorry, I can't hold that still. It's a bit hard holding the camera and talking and trying to work on these things. So one day I'll get an assistant, I'm sure. So yeah, so as you can see, that's it. So just showing you the tool again. You need something small like this. If you find something better, let me know. I'm good with that. So here it is. That's the little hole that Honda give you to push in. I think all the Hondas are the same, basically. It doesn't matter if you're in a Jazz or Civic. Just be careful as well, guys. When I was doing it, I had I was leaning over too much and bumping the horn on the steering wheel. So just be careful of that as you're taking it out. Insert those two inserts go. I don't know if you can see that into there. So just make sure it's already loose, which it is on this one. And we just insert and with the flip down mirror working. Fantastic. Thank you for watching, guys, and until next time, goodbye.